Today, I'm gonna try the Grimace Shake. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, and happy McDonald's Day to you, because at the Panda Research Institute, we got some McDonald's today. And what I didn't realize is that June is also Grimace's birthday month. So I was like, oh, Grimace's birthday. I drove by McDonald's and I saw actually this like on the poster board, and I was like, oh man, I gotta try that. And I have learned that you actually cannot get this. This thing is like unobtainium. And the reason is, in order to celebrate Grimace's birthday, who is apparently like 52 or something now, it's not really an important year, it's just that it's a birthday month. And honestly, I feel like, who's gonna remember Grimace? You have to be like my age to remember that McDonald's had like characters that promoted their food products. So anyway, Grimace was purple. He was actually bad at the beginning. He was like part of like the rebel rouser people, not like one of the good characters. He was like kind of a bad character. But you actually have to buy Grimace's birthday meal, which includes either a Big Mac or chicken nuggets and a fry. Now, in order to stay healthy, I got these fries and I just dumped them out. No one would eat them. That's disgusting. But when you get the meal, you can also get this, and this is really what I was interested in. This is a Grimace Birthday Shake, and as you can see here, it is purple instead of kind of a traditional color like the pink strawberry or the brown chocolate. Now, I actually love McDonald's shakes. I actually love the Shamrock Shake whenever it's out around St. Patty's Day. I always get one. But I was intrigued by this, and I think the purple is supposed to be kind of a berry flavor, so we'll find out. Now, what I do want to show you here is that if I rotate this around a little bit, you might be able to see that the shake is actually kind of like, I don't know, like a purple flavoring that maybe they pump in and then stir up, because you can see there's a lot of sections here that are still white. And I've kind of noticed that on some of the other shakes too, but I feel like they do a better job of stirring them completely here. So I don't know if this is just kind of an aberration based on the way that they stirred it at my local McDonald's. And in fact, I've got the cream still here at the top, which is a little frozen because I put it in the freezer. So just the whipped cream at the top. But you might be able to see here, I have purple shake, and I'm kind of curious to what it tastes like. So just gonna get in here, things I do for you. Oh. 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 Mmm. That's the stuff right there. That is the stuff. I'll tell you what, to me it tastes like blueberry. And I guess blueberries are more purple than they're blue, so. Oh yeah. What I love about that is it's fruity, just like strawberries would be, but it's different. I don't know anyone else who does like a blueberry shake, and that is very berryish. Now, I do want to say up here, it is very purple, so maybe I just got like a concentration of the flavoring, and down here it's just going to be kind of that soft serve and going to lose its flavoring because maybe it's ultra concentrated up here at the top. But what oh, delicious. You know, I love it. I don't know why this wouldn't be on the menu all the time. It's kind of like a berry flavored shake, and that makes so much sense. But leave it up to McDonald's to take away my minty Shamrock Shake most of the year, to toss me a bone once every few years with the McRib, you know, and then leave all the standard stuff on the menu all the time. I tell you what, if this were on the shake menu all year long, I think people would get this. It's pretty good. I mean, once it's on the menu all the time, it's not really special, but the berry flavoring is just different and pretty unique. I mean, everyone has a strawberry shake these days. Wendy's, you know, Frosty at least, but man, this is good. I'm not going to eat any more. This was just a test, a review for science. So just going to go ahead and dump the rest of this out. But if you are looking for a unique shake and you happen to have a McDonald's near you, I think you're going to like the Grimace Birthday Shake. You're going to have to get the full meal to get it, but man, I would love to share the experience of a blueberry flavored milkshake with you. So if you want to get one, and then we can live stream together and eat ours together and experience this. But if you want to pick this up, just check out your local McDonald's because they probably have it, at least for a little while, at least here in June. I think it's worth treating yourself every once in a while. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.